is a multi-million-pound project. Can you talk me through the GV Multimedia approach to a project of such scale?
Yes, well, first of all, we're really, really proud to be associated with a project of this magnitude, and you know, we worked very, very closely with the client and have done for 2 or 3 years to bring this together. You know, the way that we have approached this project is from a national basis. You know, we've used our key people, across the country to ensure that the facilities here are cutting edge, are well designed, well integrated, and it's a real statement for GV Multimedia to be a part of this, because we feel that we've delivered facilities here for the client which are second to none.
This project feels like almost like a bridge between a high-end corporate and your typical quote-unquote higher education project. Was it unusual in that respect?
Yes, I think the client has got a crossover, a different type of student, and therefore they needed to make sure that they delivered facilities which cross that bridge themselves. So from our perspective, we wanted to make sure that the way that we integrated it was sensitive to the building, great from a use perspective, and also sensitive. As you look around this place, you can see that it bridges, it's a listed building, it bridges, old with new, and delivers a real sort of contemporary look as you walk around. So yeah, I mean, from an integration perspective, it is a crossover between a corporate project as well as a higher education one, which again puts GV Multimedia in a great position because it just shows what we can do, when there's a project that needs our support.
Sure. The students here at London Business School are all postgraduate students, and many have been successful in business already and are returning to education. Does that place a higher expectation on you guys to produce a really high level of finish and quality of install?
Perhaps, yes. I mean, we want to make sure that what we give them is what they experience out there with their companies they work with as a minimum. And I think we've achieved that here. As I said earlier, the team at London Business School, along with the GV Multimedia technical team and the consultant, worked tirelessly to make sure that they delivered facilities which were second to none and really, really did give them a brilliant experience.